Hi, this is Brian at Grimm's Auto Service. This is Ashtun. I showed her how to do the brakes on the other side of her car, so we're going to have a video of her doing her own brakes on this side.
And try and replicate it the best I can.
Good luck.
So the first thing we're going to do is take a C-clamp and push our piston in. And so now you're going to untighten these bolts.
There are your brake caliper bolts. I still have it on tightened from the other side. You have to switch your ratchet.
Oh. Haha.
You gotta hold your tongue just right and grunt.
No joke.
Should movie man Mike assist?
I mean, go for it.
Movie man Mike to the rescue. Oh, I don't think.
Went the wrong way.
Oh. What do you mean I'm going the wrong way?
Because it's going the opposite way. The socket's facing towards you.
So do I have to take it off and spin it around?
The magic of television. The bolt's magically loose. Right.
Yeah, this
You
video.
just gotta loosen it a little bit, and we'll use the cordless one so you can do the top.
Oh.
Take the top one loose.
Yeah, this video has no assistance from Grimm at all.
Yeah. Only verbal assistance.
Now you're going to take your cordless drill. Oh.
Oh. Hey, remember, I switched them all last.
Yep.
There you go. I was going to point out we got a lug nut holding the rotor on so that way it doesn't move or get any rust in between the rotor and the hub while you're doing the brake job, because we're not replacing the rotors in this job. They seem to be fine for now.
Now we're going to pry this off.
Prying off your brake caliper.
Yep. And then
You gotta get mean with it.
apparently.
Just hook it up on one of the springs or something.
Stay.
That should work.
And now we're going to loosen our brake caliper bolts.
Brake caliper bracket.
Bracket.
And those are gonna be even tighter yet.
Yeah.
And that's Mike Barkoff TM. He copyrighted it and created it.
Scotty,
So-
give her all you got.
Anyway. Okay, so we got that one. Yay. Now we gotta get the second one. Now you got your back two bolts done. You're gonna use
Use your what?
cordless drill and get your bolts off.
Cordless ratchet.
Or yeah.
Hang on to the bracket so it doesn't fall on your toe.
Now I'm going to take it to the sandblaster and clean it up. So we're going to clean these with some brake parts cleaner. And then we're just going to wipe them off.
If you do short clips like that, we can probably get it all done in 9 minutes.
And now we're going to put some grease on it. And make sure not to put too much, just like enough. And then try and get some up there as well. So these are the old brakes that we took off the car, and you can tell that like they're not very thick anymore. I mean, they're about down there. And then these are the new ones. And you can tell that they're newer, so they're obviously gonna be a lot thicker. Yeah, that's the difference. So after you sandblast your brake caliper bracket, you're gonna put some grease on all of your
Contact points.
contact points. And make sure. So you're gonna grease up all of these points that you have that you sandblasted, and you're gonna grease them up to protect them from rusting. And then you're gonna put the new hardware on it where you greased it up.
Other way. Let's say other way. One more rotation.
So you're gonna wanna push in your piston, but don't go too fast. So you're gonna put your brake caliper bracket back on, take one of your bolts, and let's line it up. Try and get them in there. And sometimes that happens.
It only fell out on me 3 times.
Yeah. So now you're going to use the cordless tool and just get that back in there. Just like that. And after you get them with the cordless tool, you're going to tighten them to how they should be. And I think that one's done. So now we're going to put some lubricant on our piston and around right here too. And now you're going to put your new brake pads in. You want this to be, this little thing right here, notch to be on the inside.
Wear indicator tab.
And now you're going to put your brake caliper back on. Take your hook off. And make sure that your hoses aren't twisted out when you're going to use that on. Now we're going to tighten it.
Yep.
And then you're going to tighten them up to factory specs at this point. You know, you don't stroke like I do. And now you take off the lug nut that's holding your rotors on.
Snug them first.
Snug them.
Yeah, just go a little bit. Yep.
We're going to start better.
And And the most important thing, don't forget to pump up your brakes. Brian taught me how to do my brakes, and I believe that if you watch his videos, you probably can too. So,
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe.
subscribe and like.